Welcome to this guided learning session. Today, we'll explore two important practices from yoga, Vajrasana and Pranayama. These techniques are simple, effective, and backed by traditional wisdom. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to perform them correctly, their scientific and traditional benefits, and who should avoid them for safety. Let's begin. Vajrasana is a seated posture where you sit on your heels. It's one of the few yoga poses that can be practiced immediately after meals, making it especially useful for improving digestion. The pose helps stabilize the body, calm the mind, and prepare you for breathing exercises. Here's how to practice Vajrasana safely. Sit with your legs folded under you and your heels pointing outward. Keep your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Place your hands comfortably on your thighs. Close your eyes and breathe naturally. Start with 3 to 5 minutes. With regular practice, you can gradually increase to 10 minutes. Vajrasana offers several key benefits. It supports digestion and reduces acidity, helps control overeating by calming the mind, strengthens lower back and pelvic muscles, reduces stress and anxiety, improves posture, provides a stable base for meditation and breathing exercises. These benefits make Vajrasana ideal for people with busy lifestyles. Avoid or use caution if you have severe knee pain or recent knee surgery, slip disc or strong lower back pain, ankle injuries, severe arthritis. Pregnant women should practice only under expert guidance. Pranayama refers to the practice of controlled breathing. It helps regulate the nervous system, improve concentration, and enhance oxygen flow in the body. Pranayama is easy to learn and extremely effective when practiced consistently. Deep breathing. Begin with slow, deep breathing. Inhale through the nose. At least pause for a moment. And exhale completely. Repeat this for 6 rounds. It prepares your lungs and mind for the next techniques. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. To practice Anulom Vilom, use your right hand. Close the right nostril. Inhale through the left. At least inhale 4 seconds. Close the left. Exhale through the right. Repeat for 8 to 10 cycles. This technique balances both sides of the brain and calms the nervous system. Bhramari, humming bee breath. For Bhramari, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, produce a soft humming sound. Exhale with hum 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This helps relieve tension, anxiety, and mental fatigue. Pranayama can reduce stress and improve emotional balance, enhance lung capacity, improve sleep quality, strengthen focus and mental clarity, support overall immunity. These benefits grow with daily practice. Avoid or consult a doctor if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure, serious heart conditions, vertigo, recent surgery, severe migraine, breathing disorders during an active episode. Make sure pregnant women should avoid fast or forceful breathing techniques. Thank you for joining this session. Regular practice of Vajrasana and Pranayama, even for just 10 minutes a day, can significantly improve your physical and mental well-being. Stay consistent, stay aware, and continue your journey toward better health.